The high costs and expenses of basic necessities in the Philippines affects the country's economies as well as the under minimum wage workers and self-employed businesses. The Department of Agriculture recommends organic piggery because it requires lesser work and money. Vice President and COO Costales Nature Farm Reden Costales started organic farming in 2006 and raises hundreds of organic pigs since 2009. He reiterated that organic pigs give benefit in income, sanitation, and health.
Ang isang kilo ng karne ng organic na baboy ay nasa 250 pesos per kilo. After 5 months ng pag-growing the pigs, tanggal na sila. Yung beddings na may iwan, gawa siya sa compost, pataba na yun. Baboy dito ay mas konti, lesser yung kanilang bad cholesterol.
Organic pigs eat rice bran or D1, a good source of carbohydrates, fish meal or soya meal for protein, copra meal provides fats, and salt and carbonized rice hull for vitamins and minerals. These are fermented with microorganisms and molasses for 2 weeks. The Department of Agriculture creates the Republic Act 10068, the Organic Agriculture Act of 2010, Compendium of Implementation Guidelines. However, the country is still not yet ready for an organic farming market.
Hindi siya pwedeng ibenta sa palengke dahil mahal nga yung pagkakaproduce sa kanya. Hindi po siya ganun kabilis dumami.
Denise Aina Dakiwag reporting.